Let's see four stocks for tomorrow's session. The first stock in the list is Aurobindo Pharma. If you look at the daily chart of the stock, you can see the stock is finding strong support near the levels of 850.30, and that is the level where I expect it to rise, which is indicated by bullish candle in today's session. So in tomorrow's session I expect Aurobindo Pharma to touch these levels or go even further than that. We will see what happens. Second stock for tomorrow's session is Jindal Steel. If you see the last 3 days action on daily chart, this is the level where it is finding support. The level is 224.90. For 3 consecutive days Jindal has touched this level but has not gone out of this level, which means that there are strong buyers present. So in tomorrow's session we can see it is flying above from 224.90. We'll round figure it to 225 to 226. I expect it to go above and touch the recent high made by the stock. Voltas. Last 2 days price action, the stock is coming at the same level, which is 660, and it is going above, which means that buyers are present, though they may not be in colossal quantity, but there is some presence of buyer which is more than sellers. That is why the price is not pushed down. So in tomorrow's session we can expect Voltas to retrace from this level to the recent high made by it. The current level is 662 and the recent high is 682. So I expect this much movement in tomorrow's session. Fourth and final stock is JSW Steel. Like our previous two stocks, JSW is halting at this particular price range, and that should be a retracement point. Buyers and sellers are fighting it out, though there is no clear winner from last two sessions. In upcoming session I expect one of the parties to reign, and that party should be buyers. So in tomorrow's session you could see a further up movement. It can go as much as it wants. We'll go to monthly chart to understand. So this is what I'm looking at. This particular zone is where it should go. If you want to know all the important levels that we just discussed in the four stocks for tomorrow's session, you can join my Telegram channel. I will leave the link in the description box. Thank you for watching.